Back to the phone lines. We'll talk next to Nikki, Ventura, California. Hi, Nikki.
Hi. Thank you for taking my call. I have a question. Is the Foursquare Church, the Assembly of God, and the Pentecostalism, the Oneness, do they all have that same four-step salvation plan?
Well, Oneness Pentecostalism ought to be seen in a different way than the rest of Pentecostalism. In fact, it was Pentecostalism, the largest body, the Assemblies of God, that declared Oneness Pentecostalism a heresy and cultic in that they deny the nature of God as revealed in Scripture. So I don't think that you want to mix up the various Pentecostal denominations because they have their own distinctives, but Oneness Pentecostalism is distinct for denying essential Christian doctrine.
Okay. I've been going to a Foursquare Church, but it was called The River, and I'm a born-again Christian, and the reason was one of my previous church, they had, the pastor stepped down, and it was just a mess, so I found a church to go to. Well, I found that I wasn't real happy there. There's something out of my spirit that sounds good there. So I'm not sure what I should do is go back or just study up more. I don't feel comfortable, and I just wanted to hear your take on the Foursquare as well.
Well, I think it's dependent on the particular church because certainly overall they fall within the pale of orthodoxy. The problem within Pentecostalism on a worldwide basis is that it has actually become a platform for all kinds of preachers and teachers who are not holding fast to truth, teachers who are redefining very central words in Christian theology. For example, faith. So there are many faith teachers that unfortunately are using Pentecostal platforms, and they're being allowed to do that. And to the extent that one of these churches does that, there ought to be a great big warning sign, because faith is redefined as a force. Words are the containers of the force, and it is said that through the force of faith, one can create their own reality.
Oh. Well, I just don't know what to really do, though.
Well, it may be a very healthy, well-balanced church, but the way you know what to do is become so familiar with truth that when a counterfeit appears on the horizon, you know it instantaneously. So be very familiar with the essentials, because we have always held to motto that in essentials there must be unity, non-essentials liberty, and in all things charity.